Good morning, dear students. From today, I am going to begin the new chapter, that is mensuration, 17th chapter. We have the 5 exercises here in which we will study the volume, surface area of the different kind of solid, 3-dimensional figures. So first we have the cylinder. We are going to begin with the cylinder. Cylinder is a circular shape which has a height. Circle whose height is included is called cylinder. In cylinder, we can see that there is a circular surface which has some height. Height is represented by the letter H, and the radius of the circle whose the cylinder is a part is represented by the letter R. The volume of the cylinder is pi r square H. And curved surface area, when we talk about curved surface area, then we take only the curved part. Only the curved part, the upper and the lower part is not included in it. So when we take the curved surface area, then it is 2 pi RH. When we take total surface area, when we talk about total surface area, then it has the curved surface area and the upper and the lower part. Upper and lower part is in circular shape. Then the total surface area becomes 2 pi r in bracket H plus R. Let's begin the exercise. In the first exercise, 17.1, the first question is, find the total surface area of a solid cylinder of radius 5 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. Here we have pi. If pi is not given, then we can put pi 22 by 7 or 3.14 as we were putting earlier. We have to get the total surface area of the cylinder and write your answer in terms of pi. In terms of pi, it means that we are not going to put the value of pi. The total surface area of cylinder is equals to 2 pi r in bracket H plus R. Put the values. 2, we have to write the answer in terms of pi, so no need to put the value of pi. R is 5. H plus R, 10 plus 5. This is 10 pi into 15. So we have 150 pi centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the cylinder. Next we have an electric geyser is cylindrical in shape, having a diameter of 35 centimeter and the height is 1.2 meter. Neglecting the thickness of the wall, calculate the outer lateral surface area and its volume. Volume means the capacity in liters. We have to calculate the volume and its lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is 2 pi RH and its capacity and the volume is pi r square H. So easily we can calculate. In third question, we have a school provides milk to the students daily in cylindrical glass of diameter 7 centimeter. If the glass is filled with milk up to the height of 12 centimeter, find how many liter of milk is needed to serve 1600 students. First find the capacity of a glass by the formula of volume pi r square H. Then it is given to 1600 students. Then multiply it by 1600. In next question, 4, in a given figure, we have a figure. Tin foil of size 22 centimeter by 16 centimeter is wrapped around to form a cylinder of height 16 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. Here the radius is not given, but it is given that the height is 16. It means that the foil is wrapped around the 22 centimeter. It means that the 22 centimeter is the circumference of the cylinder. 22 centimeter is the circumference of the circle, because we all know that when we roll the cylinder, when we roll the rectangular paper, then the side by which it is wrapped becomes the circumference of the circle. So we have a figure. This is 16 and this is 22 centimeter. So circumference is 22 centimeter is equals to 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. So with this we can calculate the radius. 22 is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. 22 is cancelled out, so r is equals to 7 by 2. This is 3.5 centimeter radius. And the height is 16 centimeter. You have to get the volume. As we all know that volume of the cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Put the values. In place of pi, 22 by 7, r is 3.5 into 3.5, h is 16. Let's simplify. By simplifying, it is 22 into 0.5 into 3.5 into 16. We will have 616 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. Next we have, other questions are also same. Here we have, let's take one more question. The area of the curved surface of the cylinder is 4400 centimeter square and the circumference of the base is 110 centimeter. Find the height and the volume. This is the 9th question. It is given that the curved surface area of the cylinder is equals to 4400 centimeter square and the circumference is 110 centimeter. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. In place of curved surface area, we have 4400 is equals to 2 pi r h. And we have circumference 2 pi r whose value is 110. In place of 2 pi r, we can write 110. So 4400 is equals to 110 into h. So h is equals to 4400 by 110. Height is 40 centimeter. In second part, find its volume. As we all know that volume is equals to pi r square h. Put the value in place of pi 22 by 7 in place of r. We need r also, but we are not having the value of r. So find the value of r with the help of this circumference. 110 is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So r is equals to 110 into 7 upon 22 into 2. Let's simplify. 11 2s are 11, 10s are 110. This is 2 5s are 10. This is 35 by 2 centimeter or 17.5 centimeter. This is the radius. Put the radius in place of it. 35 by 2 into 35 by 2 in place of height 40. This is 10. Let's multiply. Centimeter cube. So I hope you all can solve the first exercise. Today all of you solve first exercise. I will ask the questions tomorrow if you have any problem. So today all of you try to solve the exercise. If you have any queries, if you have any problem, it will be discussed tomorrow.